Welcome to the EVO 1700 Pro Bike Light tutorial. The EVO 1700 Pro features the Magic Lock magnetic mounting system for quick installation and removal. Its reinforced composite safety locking mechanism provides secure and stable mounting. First, attach the magnetic GoPro-style mount to your out-front mount. Align the light with the mount and push it upward until it snaps into place. Then slide the lock switch to the right to secure the light. To removal, slide the lock switch to the left to unlock it. Press the quick release button to remove the light. The light is locked by default. For first use, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds or charge the light. The indicator will turn solid green to show it's unlocked. To lock it again, press and hold the button for 3 seconds when the light is off. Press and hold the power button for 1 second to turn the light on or off. When the light is on, click the button to change brightness level. In low beam, it cycles through low, medium, high, low. In high beam, it cycles through low, medium, high, low. When the light is on, double-click the button to switch between low beam and high beam. The light comes pre-paired with the remote from the factory. Press and hold the round or square button for 1 second to turn the light on or off. Click the round button to adjust the brightness level. Double-click the round button to change the mode. Double-click the square button to switch between day flash and night flash. Click the square button to go into full output mode. And click the round or square button again to return to the previous mode. Once paired, the remote can switch the front and tail lights on or off together. Want more product options? Check out Magicshine.com. Your choice of Magicshine is greatly appreciated.